All right, those were just 2 packages of my pumpkin cinnamon rolls that we cut up. I'm next bringing in my greased jack-o'-lantern pan, and we're gonna grab our cinnamon roll pieces and just spread them out throughout this entire pan. This is gonna be such a fun and easy, super easy, literally the easiest dessert breakfast you'll ever make. And it's just gonna be so festive for kids to wake up on Halloween, you know, morning for this delicious breakfast. Or you can make it, you know, for a spooky night in if you want it as a dessert. Either way, let's get this all filled up and ready to cook. Oh, it looks so cute already. I'm gonna come in with some chopped pecans, and I'm just gonna do a light sprinkle of these on top of our cinnamon rolls just to add a nice crunch to this delicious breakfast. This is optional though. If someone has a nut allergy, you can totally skip it. But let's make sure we get it, you know, in each little crevice. Perfect. Now I have here some heavy whipping cream, and we're gonna drizzle a little bit of this heavy whipping cream on top of our cinnamon rolls. Just a light drizzle. We're probably gonna use about 1/4 a cup of heavy cream total. Perfect. That just makes our cinnamon rolls extra fluffy, extra delicious. We're gonna now place that to the side and bring in our 1 stick of melted butter. And we are gonna add some brown sugar to that melted butter. I'm gonna add about half a cup, to our mixture. Okay, that looks maybe a little bit more. I like it extra sweet. That looks perfect. Now I have here my pure pumpkin. And we're gonna go ahead and just grab some pumpkin. Super easy with our whisk. And we're gonna mix it with our butter and our brown sugar. This is gonna create a delicious pumpkin flavored drizzle for our jack-o'-lantern. Obviously, the pumpkin cinnamon rolls already have some pumpkin flavor in there, but this is just going to make it extra delicious. Oh my gosh, look how yummy that looks. Okay, and that is ready to be drizzled on top of our jack-o'-lantern. Oh, it smells like pumpkin heaven. Just make sure we get it from edge to edge, each crevice, just like we did with the heavy cream. Okay, I think I made a little bit extra. I don't want to overflow the pan, so I am going to stop there, but this is ready for the oven. My oven is set to 350, and this is gonna bake for like 35 minutes, and then we're gonna have the best Halloween breakfast. All right, look at this baby. It looks so good. The orange pumpkin, the pecans, the puffed up cinnamon rolls. All right, it is time to get this out of our pan, and I'm just gonna go for it. What do you think, babe?
Yeah, are you just gonna flip it?
Yeah.
You got this.
Okay.
That was a good flip.
Look at that! So fun, you guys. Okay, so last but not least, we have that icing that came with the cinnamon rolls. And we're just gonna drizzle it all over our Halloween breakfast. Oh my goodness. Looks so delicious. All right, and I think I'm just gonna go in, and I should just be able to. It's like a pull apart monkey bread.
Oh, look, it's perfectly cooked.
With pecans, cinnamon rolls, pumpkin.
You ruined the pumpkin.
I know. Couldn't wait. That looks so good, you guys.
Is it good?
It is incredible. I'm never gonna do cinnamon rolls the same again.